Hi, this is Universal 144 with an extra 4 for 2023. It's going to be general, collective. Had to leave my home just to not be interrupted. Doesn't that suck? Drives me freaking crazy. All right. So just in general, what's like popping up like thought form here is be careful who, what organizations you donate to. All right. I wouldn't be donating to any organization unless you knew exactly where the money was going. And I'm not talking about the organizations that give you a list of where the money goes. That's them telling you where it's going. Okay. Maybe oversight is going to come into play here shortly in the future with the organization that claims to be a non-for-profit or a charity. Okay. Yeah, there's going to be an organization. I don't know if this is your own. I mean, or somebody's that's just. It's one that you're involved with or some way. Maybe you're on the board. Okay. Pretty sure tomorrow's the 17th Monday. Kind of feel like it's 8 days from that. This is really specific. I've been getting a lot of specific readings, and I don't even post them because I don't want to tell everybody's business. How you would know, this is an organization that works off of you know, pulling off the heartstrings. Okay, like this could be for the homeless, this and that. And let me tell you something. Okay, and I want you to think about this, critically think about this, and sleep on it. Okay, in the United States, I don't know about other countries, and I really don't care, right? We're supposed to be one of the wealthiest countries, right? This and that. But when you look at the statistic of how many homeless we have, it doesn't make sense, does it? And when you look at all the programs we have for the homeless, it doesn't make sense that we still have homeless, does it? The amount that we do, and that it's growing. Okay? So this is probably where that's coming from here. Somebody's trying to, or maybe somebody's investing in, or somebody is thinking about going on to the board of one of these charity / organizations, non-for-profits that works with the state or the federal government. Okay? And what you need to know about this is, and not to burst your bubble or anything, but they kind of want you in that position because you're ignorant to what's going on. This is exactly this reading. Okay? Not that you're not good enough for the job or this and that, but you got to understand that there's a click. Okay? They didn't just randomly pick you and you got a lucky opportunity here. So in whatever context that applies, it may just be like a collective message, but I really feel like it's pinpointed at somebody because I'm feeling like this caution. Okay, it's making me nervous. Yeah, it's not crap. A bee's gonna get in here. Crap. Okay. Sorry about that. a bee was going to come in here. Okay, so maybe like this could be like relating to that mentality, right? The worker bee type thing. Like you've always been one. You think this is like your lucky break. Would look great on your resume, or you could be on this board for a very long time. You could make a difference. This is somebody who actually does want to make a difference. Yes, you do. Okay. And, but the thing is, the cons of this far outweigh the pros, right? You are going to be blamed for the problems because you're going to be the new person on deck that's going to be in charge of whatever problem they're having right now. Okay. So you need to be aware of that. Before you take a job, any job, this doesn't have to be charity, any organization working with state or federal, okay, you need to research them. And I'm not talking research their code of conduct or their mission statement. That's a bunch of bullshit, okay? That's what they put out there to reel people in that are really ignorant about the work field, okay? And I've worked for a lot of different companies, right? And I'm sure a lot of you will agree, no matter where you've worked, they don't uphold that statement. Okay? So research, not just that, I'm not talking about the statement, I'm not talking about, you know, and also this is like the fake news thing on Google, the rating, okay? I would go with a different search engine. Okay. Because the other search engines that are not as popular do not block out anybody's opinion that has actually been verified to work there. Okay? I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe somebody is actually, ooh. Maybe somebody had, this has already happened and taken place, right? Maybe this was like 8 years ago. Okay? That's where I saw the 1 and the 7 and the 8 thing. And so you're being a problem solver instead of whining about it. And maybe you're creating a search engine or a platform or something like that, a platform where people are able to speak freely about places they have worked. And that would be a really great idea. Anybody out there that wants to do that, that's freaking awesome. That would help a lot of people. That would save a lot of people a lot of time wasting in companies. Okay? Because there's so much fake comments about how great a company is. You get there and you realize, was that like a bot that left that comment? Because this is not what's going on here. Okay? And it usually takes a long time to be employed to realize that they really don't give a crap about you. Okay? You're just a number to them. So there's that. Jeez. Yeah, so this is basically somebody who is taking their really horrible experience, right? It's like the deception, all that crap, all that time, and they're turning it into something productive for everybody else. Okay? This gets really, really good dharma. Dharma karma, good. Okay? Because there's this transit right now going on with Saturn. It's always been going on, but right now it's reward time. Okay? So if you're not necessarily being rewarded, so to speak, with time management, whatever, okay? You can clear it and switch your karma by doing this, right? Because it's good for the collective, for them not to waste their time with this company or this group or organization or religious, non-for-profit, whatever the heck it is. But it's something to do with social welfare and humanitarian work, which they all claim to be, but this is like, it's like claiming to be doing something that you're really not, because nobody's going to be checking you, right? You can claim that you're feeding all the homeless and you're giving them underwear and t-shirts and all these things, right? But you're really not, because the homeless are not going to speak at all, right, to what they did or did not give. Most of them are not in the mindset to even know what's going on. This is so weird. I've been getting messages like this, like collective, like crazy. Okay, so also, you could be the one investigating fraudulent organizations / charities right now. I don't have to tell you this, you already know, because you're looking in their bag. You're checking accounts. While you're doing this, like, I don't know why this is coming up, but you need to keep whoever, whatever, completely distracted from even thinking that you're doing it, okay? And you do that because, oh, I feel like you're telling people about this. Don't be doing that. If you're the one, if you're an attorney or something like that, or you're the one bringing up a claim or this and that, don't be telling people. Don't talk on your cell phone either, okay? Do we really need to go back and listen to Snowden? Come on. You know where I'm going here. So, yeah. So that's all I have. That's it. Yeah. You can also make a company doing this. If you're good enough at this, at investigating the money trail, okay, you could make a really good company out of this. And maybe right now is just your start, okay, with this one case. All right, that's all I have.